In this first group of problems, we're going to be solving an equation with a lot of variables in it for a given variable. We've done this before, but this time we're going to have fractions involved. So in order to do these the most efficiently, we're going to clear the fractions by multiplying through by the LCD. We'll then distribute, remove grouping symbols if there are any. Combine like terms on each side of the equation. Then move the terms so that the terms with the desired variable are on one side of the equal sign and all the other terms are on the other side. And then get the desired variable alone or isolated. So we're going to begin by getting rid of the fractions, and we're going to multiply through all of these terms by the LCD, which is A, B, C. So multiply each one by A, B, C. Then we're going to cancel this one, the A's, and that's going to leave us with BC minus, this time we'll cancel the B. That leaves us with AC times, it's really AC times 1, which is AC, and then it's equal to the C's cancel, and that leaves us with 1 times AB, which is AB. All right, so that's our first step done. So now if we had any grouping symbols or any parentheses, we'd get rid of them, but we don't. So now we're going to combine like terms. Well, that's kind of hard to do there on that. And then we're going to move the terms so the terms of the desired variable are on one side. Now our desired variable is this A right there. So I want to get the A terms on one side. So I believe what I'll do is I'm going to plus this AC on both sides. That will leave me with BC. This is going to subtract out, and then this will be AB plus AC. So next we want to get our variable alone on one side, but first you have to notice that there's an A in both of these terms. So what I'm going to need to do is factor out the A. That will leave me with B plus C is equal to BC. So now I'm ready to isolate the A. So since A is multiplied times the parentheses, I'm going to divide by that parentheses on both sides. And the result will be that A is equal to BC over B plus C. Example 2, again, we want to get rid of our fractions, so we're going to multiply through every term by the S. So that will give me SP is equal to 1 times S, so that's S, minus, and then my S's cancel, C. So again, I want to get my S's on the same side, so I'm going to subtract that S, and that's going to leave me with, these don't subtract because they're not like terms. So I can only combine an SP with another SP. So this is going to look like this, SP minus S. So that might be something you want to kind of take note of. And unfortunately that S looks like a 5, doesn't it? Is equal to, and then I've got the negative C left over here. So now I'm going to factor out, get the S alone, so I'm going to factor it out. And that leaves me with P minus 1 is equal to a negative C. Then again, this is multiplied, so to undo it, I'm going to divide both sides by P minus 1. And that's going to leave me with S is equal to negative C over P minus 1. All right, so this time I want you to try number 3, and then we'll pick up on the next video.